All right. Just if you need a camera that is solar, you don't want to run wires anywhere, this might be your camera for you. Also, you don't need Wi-Fi. So if you have, let's say, you have a cell phone with a smartphone and you have just Wi-Fi here. I mean, you don't have Wi-Fi, but what I'm saying is you have, data signal, and maybe you don't have a computer in your home, but you want to check, the camera through your phone without paying a Wi-Fi. This camera might be for you. So this company, they sent me this camera that you see here. So as you can see, they have it here on Amazon. It's very simple. So for she, 2K, 9,000 milliamps battery, 25 watts battery, solar panel, and that's it. So as you can see, it says, okay, for day, night. So as you can see the difference between one and the other, 2K, the difference should be good. And as you can see, very easy. You don't have to run wiring or anything like that. Just put it on the wall, put the solar panel like that. For instance, if you have maybe a parking lot or something like that, put it on the tree like this, and it just works. That's it. Very simple. So now let's switch to the other camera so that way you can see. So this is the box, as you can see here. Here all the specs, like I mentioned before: 2K, audio alerts, battery, 4G, solar panel, AI recognition, motion sensor, infrared, water resistant, few other things. So here you have all the information of the camera S1, that is the model, and here you have all the information of the manufacturer. So here you can see everything. So now I'm going to show you everything that came in the box, just in case. If you want to get the camera like that, this company they send it to me, so that way I can make a video review. Say, okay, just send it to me. I'll see how it goes. So this is the camera, very simple. So basically, you have I don't know why it comes with two brackets like that, but one will be enough. So as you can see, the camera should be pointed, down, because the rain is going to be raining here, not in this area. Otherwise, water will get in and will make it damage. So basically, you put this here, as you can see, against the wall. Put the screws on those three holes that you see here. It comes with all the brackets, the anchors and the screws needed for this. Just put it here, and that's it. Basically, you put it like that, and you will stay like this. So basically, put it against the wall, and that's it. And then you have the antennas here for the 4G, and very simple. So I'm going to show you this. Here you have some lights, and here on the side, if you see, you can install, it comes with the SD card, so already, so that is a good thing. Reset, just in case you forgot the password. SD, and here you have, you can put a SIM card, for a 4G. Other than that, very simple. Close it, and that's it. So here you have the QR code. You're going to need the app. Basically, I'll show you. You're going to need this app that says Cam Visual. So click there, and then after that, you will have to go here on the plus sign. So you go here, select where it says 4G camera, 4G camera again. For this purpose, turn the power switch to the on position. And then it will guide you, step by step. Basically, it will ask you, okay, scan this QR code. You scan it, and that's it. And then you have the camera, as you can see here. Once you do that, the camera should be up and running. So here you have the solar panel, like I showed you. I was talking before. Very simple. It comes with this stand, so that way you can put it. You see, you have the hole. So you put it on the wall, and then you mount it. I think it's the south or whatever you have the sun, and the other end, as you can see here, just plug this in here on. So you have to close this up and put the USB cord here, and that's it. It will keep it charged, because at night you're not going to have the sun in order to make it work. So just make sure, anyway, this is going to be like that, upside down, so that way water will not get into the port, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you the app. So here, if you have multiple cameras. You can keep adding it from here, and you will see them all over here. And other than that, you have this. So as soon as you start, it will say that you're going to run out of data. Click there so that you can see the plans. So as you can see, I mean, it seems like economical. It's 1 year, 15. It will be like 160. It will be about $15, you know, a month, and you don't have to pay Wi-Fi in your house, so it will be cheaper. Otherwise, you can get 6 months if you want to for $100. So let's click there. So I'll show you. See, here you have the lamp. So the way you can see, I'm going to turn it on. There we go. Turn it off. Here you have a few other options. So if you want to move this, I'll show you. Yeah, also, you can talk. For instance, if you want to hear the mic, just here. There you go. If you want to talk, let's say that you want someone to be able to hear you from here, you have a mic and a speaker. Hello, 1, 2, 3. There you go. If you want to record, you just put the button and you will record here, maybe inside as well. And then if you want, you can take a picture, press there, take a picture, and that's it. And if you have many other options, so if you want to go there, otherwise, if you want to use the palm tilt, so that way it will move on the side, up and down, and it will zoom. So as you can see, you can move the camera, you see, one side, the other side, and then up and down. There you go. I don't know the zoom. Maybe you can zoom using the cell phone, you know, like that. You just pinch, and there you have the zoom, and that's it. And you can record. You can do whatever you have to do easily, and a very simple camera. You go to the playback if you want to go back. I guess if you have something that you have record services, I guess support. If you go here on photos, and then you can see, you know, what I record here. I just put the button and you will record here. There you go. So everything is on your phone if you want to, and that's it. So basically, again, this camera I think is a good fit for those people, maybe because most people they have cell phone but they don't have computer at home, and if you don't want to pay, you know, internet service, you can do that. Also, if you have a parking lot, you know, middle of nowhere, or you have a field and you know, a farm or someplace, and you don't have a place, you know, where you want to where to connect it to internet. Also, this is very simple because it's just 6 screws. Put 3 screws here, 3 screws here, you're set, and it works. That's it. So hopefully you have enough sunlight during the the day just to keep it charged, and that's it. Other than that, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know in the section below. If you want to buy that, I can leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.